Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So guys, there's a new sangoma in town and her name is Gogo Manzini, the love potion Gogo, you guys. And today an episode on Owamine Chwazauru's channel featuring her was aired, and ooh, you guys, people were left shocked in the comment section as she talked about love potions. And you guys, I've picked up a bit from that podcast interview, and it is interesting when she talked about love potions, which is what I think most people were quite interested in learning, you guys. She says that potions that most people would use are your DNA to put in a lover's food. It includes your saliva, your dirty ears, dirt in the nose, are things that can be poured and make a man madly in love, you guys. She further went on to add that dirt from different parts of the body also are powerful in making a man love you. And lastly, the most disgusting part was when she said that poop is the most important factor that can be used as a love potion, you guys. She says that with the excretion or the poop, you need to take the last part of the poop and put it in his food, because you need to be the last person in his life, the last and only person in his life, Gogo Manzini said. You guys, what are your thoughts? Please do engage with me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for clicking and watching this video. Bye.